Okay, this is question 2, June 2016. The control rods control the rate of fission. So the first one's on for us. What does the coolant do? It removes energy from the reactor. What does a fuel rod do? It contains uranium for fission. Those are basically the fuel that goes into a nuclear reactor. So that leaves the shielding to absorb the dangerous radiation. Not a hard one to start with. State the type of energy released in a fission reaction. Well, the type of energy that's going to be released there is going to be kinetic energy. Think about what happens in that fission reaction. You get one very large isotope turning into two things, and they move apart. And those moving apart, they're also getting rid of those neutrons. And that all that movement is the kinetic energy that is released. So that very first energy that is released in a fission reaction is going to be the kinetic energy. Explain the role of a moderator in a fission reaction. Well, we know from they've just said about the fission reaction, you're going to get kinetic energy out. So what does a moderator do? It slows the neutrons. It's going to slow those neutrons down, or you can say reduces the kinetic energy of those neutrons. Okay, this is a 2-mark question. It's an explain, so we need a because in there as well. Or in this case, I'm going to say as it allows fission to continue. So thinking about there, what that moderator, what does it do? I always think moderator moderates something. So if you ate in moderation, you wouldn't eat as much. So you're going to slow those neutrons down. They're not going to have as much kinetic energy as before. Why do they want to do that? As it allows fission to continue. You can also have causes or induces fission, so that neutrons are absorbed by the uranium, but in all it causes that fission to continue. Explain in terms, so we've got that explain again, in terms of neutrons, what is meant by controlled nuclear fission. Well, there's 3 marks here, and there's lots of marking points. So each fission releases more than 1 neutron. So you're going to get more than 1 neutron released, but you only need 1 neutron to destabilize the uranium in order for it to fission. So we need a controlled nuclear reaction. So as the fission releases, each fission releases more than 1 neutron. We only need fission is caused by a single neutron. So lots are released. We only need 1. So excess neutrons speed up the reaction. We've got too many. We only need 1, so it's going to speed up that reaction. So fission could release excess energy. So we need the control rods. Control rods absorb the excess neutrons, and thereby controlling the reaction. Okay, that is number 2.